If you want to take a trade and you still need some confirmation, or maybe you have seen a trade, the same network, the network is the same, especially this new network. So that doesn't give you a guarantee that everything is okay. You also need to carry out a demo practice to see if the network is actually corresponding. So in this video, I'm going to show you that even when networks are the same, especially these new network addresses, so all what you need to do is test it out and see if it's actually working fine. If there is no red flag, you carry on your trade, but if there's a red flag, you actually move on to another trade. So in this case, I'm going to pick a particular coin and show you, because I actually find out this and I don't want anybody to make that same mistake. Okay, so you can see this coin or this token minima. So let's say minima is sold on Mexi at this current market price 0.038. Okay, and let's go to Bitmat to see how much it's been sold. So on Bitmat, the price on Bitmat is 0.0385, about 1 point something percent if you should go in with your $100. So a lot of you will think that this is an arbitrage opportunity. Yes, this is a clear arbitrage opportunity, but there are some things that will hold you back if you don't check it appropriately. So we are going to do that. So first of all, after confirming the price, and after confirming the price differences, and we have spot out our clear percent, how many percent is it? Is it 1%, 2%, or 3%? In this scenario, this is 1 point something percent. So if we get in with 100 USDT, we are going to make 1 point something dollar. Okay, 1 point something cents. Okay, let's go to Mexi where we are going to buy the coin. Let's say we want to buy with 100 USDT. 100 USDT, we are going to receive 2,630 of minima. So let's just have it at the back of our mind. After you must have gotten your coin, the next thing is you are going to look forward on how to transfer the coin from Mexi to Bybit, and you can simply do that by going to wallet here. Once you click on wallet, allow it to load up and click on withdraw. It's loading and you can see the coin. I've already searched for the coin, and you click on minima and click on withdrawal. So you can see minima on top, that is the token name. You can see the withdrawal address where you are going to copy withdrawal address on Bitmat to here, and you can see the network, it's minima. So, and coming down here, you can see where you are going to say the quantity. You are going to say the quantity of coin which you are going to withdraw, and we also have withdrawal remark, which is optional. If you want to transfer minima from this exchange, you are going to pay a network fee of 15 minima. Okay, so let's go and copy the withdrawal address on Bitmat. So once you're on Bitmat, you click on asset here. You click on asset and click on spot. Once you click on spot, you click on deposit. Okay, I've already searched for the coin. You click on minima. So this is minima. So we wait for everything to load up. As you can see, we copy the deposit address. You can see the network is also minima. So a lot of you will be thinking that this is the network is corresponding, but I'm going to shock you. I'm going to show you something that if you should see it, just leave it so that you will not send your money to the wrong network, of which if you do, you are losing your entire money, your entire capital. So let's copy the address, and once you copy the address, you come back to where you are going to withdraw from. Remember, on Bitmat we click on deposit. So we are withdrawing from Mexi to Bitmat, so we click on deposit and click on the token. We type in the token and copy the address. So Once we copy the network address, we come to withdraw here on Mexi, the exchange that we are going to send the coin out, and paste in the wallet address. So this is the wallet address, and I will now click on this place where you see select the withdrawal network. I'm going to click on minimal. See, you see that the network address is differ, is not the same. I think the other one is using is it Ethereum kind of network, because it's Ethereum that always start with this 0x something. So I think the other one is using um Ethereum kind of network or something. So the network here, you can see what they are saying below. They say withdrawal address does not conform to the rules. So it doesn't match actually. It doesn't match actually. So at this point, there is no reasonable way of us still carrying out this arbitrage, because you are going to lose your money. So all what we are going to do is to just leave this arbitrage and move on to another one. So but before I do that, to still show you that this network is not corresponding, let me also copy the one of Mexi and go and paste it on by Bitmat to actually see what is the problem. So this time around, we want to click on deposits on Mexi and click on on-chain deposits. This is the coin. We tap on it and copy the withdrawal address. Take note of this withdrawal address. You can see the withdrawal address here. This one starts with MX. So this network address is the original one from the minimal network themselves. So you can see it's MX. So the other one started with OX, so it doesn't match. It's not corresponding. It doesn't conform with their rows. Okay, so if I should take this one to Bitmap, they are actually going to signal me that the network address doesn't match. So let's go to Bitmap. So on Bitmap, we are going to go back and click on withdraw. Once we click on withdraw, we are going to type in minimum. So I've already searched for the coin. So what I need to do is to click on the minimum, click on fair network deposit, and you can see the address here, the network already here, minimum, and you can see the amount. So I'm going to paste in the address we copy from Mexi. You can see what they are saying. They said the address does not match the currently selected primary network, which is minimal here. See it here. They only have a minimal network here. There's no other network, but it differ. The networks are differ. So we are not going to take this trade. I'm showing you this so that you people should not make this kind of mistake. So whenever you encounter this kind of issue, all what you need to do is just to exit the trade and go on for another one. Okay, don't force yourself and say, why is it the network is minimal, the other one is minimal, and they are indicating that it doesn't matter. You think you can ignore it and still carry on your trade. You are doing yourself more harm, because you are going to lose your entire saving. You are going to lose your entire money. So at this point, we are not going to carry on this trade. So if I have been able to at least, if you have carved out a sense from what I just said now, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.